come to my house, play that music too loud. I wanna make up right now, nah, nah. Keep on crazy.
Se acabó.
Follow me left to right. I can feel you on the
Here without you, baby.
I'll dance, 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 shake my hands, hands, hands. Tu penses à moi, c'est très bien, c'est dans la porte, ma
We're going on vacation, so where you wanna go? Sa kusina, ako'y sumasayaw at kumakanta habang ang mga kamay ko'y abala sa pagluluto. Ang init ng apoy, ang tunog ng kawali, lahat ay nagbibigay ng ritmo sa aking awit. Oh, saya ng pagluluto, kasabay ng aking tutugin. Sa bawat habang, sa bawat tinda, isang putaheng masarap ang aking nalilikha. Oh, 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 oh,
Ikaw may-ari nito, miss?
Yeah, family business po.
Talaga?
Yes.
Yeah, when did you start?
This opened December 2021. We're turning 3 years this year.
Nakakatuwa naman. Congratulations.
Thank you so
Sa
much.
area na to, kayo lang ang Filipino. Kasi
There's-
mostly
Sa
Chinese.
Plaza, meron din pong lechonan, pero weekends lang siya open. Yeah. And then over here, there's a Chinese style.
There
so it's
is.
nice that people can, get Filipino version and
That's
Chinese.
true.
Opo.
O, i-promote mo naman ang iyong
Hello
business.
po, pangalan niyo po?
Ann.
And hello po sa mga friends ni Ate Ann. Bisita na po kayo dito
Bisita
every day,
kami. Yes.
Tuesday to Sunday. For all you can eat breakfast buffet po, Saturday, Sunday. You can buy lechon, barbecue, everything. Parang nasa Cebu po kayo.
Oo, at saka
So,
madaling
good na.
puntahan. Sa Scarborough lang ito eh. Kaya
Opo, we
maganda.
also have a North York branch.
Wow, 2
Yes,
branches
yeah.
na.
Yeah, that's our original.
Oh, alright.
Opo.
Okay.
Okay,
So,
thank you
ipa-plug
so
natin ito. Okay, thank you.
bawat tinda, isang putaheng masarap ang aking nalilikha.
Oh, ayan yung lechon.
No, it's okay. Sabihin ko na lang, okay. So, because I had such a great time getting to know Ate, I'm gonna give her extra pang-paksiyo sa bahay.
i-slice mo lang medyo
Ayan, te. Ayan.
Ayan pala.
Malasa
Ang dami
po
niya.
namin. So, masarap yung, I'll give you also the mga lamas.
Alright, so this is JB. Siya yung owner or COO na...
Child of owner.
Yes. So, family business ito. Ano yung pangalan ng restaurant na ito?
So our restaurant is called Wilson's House of Lechon. Made in Cebu. Malaking ano yan. We are proud of where we came from.
Totoo yan.
Apo,
Yung maganda yung mga masarap na pagkain na
Oh,
nandyan
thank
sa
you
Cebu.
so much.
Diba?
Thank you. Yes,
Oo.
opo. Ano?
May lechon din dito at sila din ang gumagawa nun and ang taste niya talagang authentic.
Yes.
Cebu.
Yes.
From Cebu, right?
Yeah.
Tapos kwentuhan mo ko kasi ang ganda ng restaurant. Actually, this is their second branch. Ang una, nasa North York, tapos ito yung pangalawa sa Scarborough na. Diba?
Yes,
Oo.
opo.
Kasi laki diba ng...
Actually, those who have known our business for a while, yung first branch namin, napakaliit, para ka talagang nasa Pilipinas. When you walk in, you have to go at it. When you walk
Sige.
in, may machine, may umuusok na mga inihaw.
Uy, masarap
Yes,
yun.
pa
Oo.
you feel more like you're in the Philippines there.
Correct.
Pero yun nga lang, there's not a lot of spaces for you to gather your friends and family. Kaya when we got this place during the pandemic, we were looking for a bigger place, different, that will work together with our other branch. Kasi mas malaking kitchen dito kami
At maganda
naglilechon.
yun.
Yes.
Dito ka naglilechon?
Yes, opo, yeah.
Ay, maganda yun.
Yeah, so, to to make use of the place, nagawa kami ng breakfast buffet. Earlier, it was really busy. You could book the whole place if you have a party, if you're looking for a function hall.
Ang ganda ng place Agnes. Tapos
Opo.
parang meron pa tayong stage.
May stage, may decor-decor.
May decor pa.
Yeah.
Pwede magkantahan.
Pwede
Yes.
kanina may open mic sa karaoke.
Oo
Yeah,
nga.
opo.
Totoo yun. And ilan ang kasya dito, JC?
It could fit comfortably seating 70 people.
Maganda.
Yeah, yes, opo, yeah.
70. Ang galing, no? And anong
Yeah.
oras naman ang iyong business hours dito?
So, weekdays, Tuesdays to Fridays, we are open to 11:45 to 5 p.m. So, lunch to early dinner. And then, weekends for our breakfast buffet, we're open from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. So, our busiest hour is like the earlier hours. When people wake up, they don't want to prepare. They just brush their teeth. Some don't even brush their teeth. They just come in and eat. So that's what we're here for on days when you don't feel like
At
cooking.
masarap yung pagkain nila.
Yeah,
Ang dami talaga. Affordable. Yan ang number one na kailangan natin dito sa panahon ngayon.
Yes.
Diba?
Yes po.
Oo.
Yes po.
So, mga kababayan, kung gusto niyo talagang tumikim ng authentic Cebu foods, andito tayo sa Scarborough. So, puntahan ninyo at dalawin ninyo ang Wilson's House of Lechon. Alright?
What's the address?
What's
So,
the address?
thank you so much. Message to all the kababayans in Scarborough. I know mahirap at tsaka mahal umuwi sa Pilipinas ngayon. That's what our purpose here in the Scarborough area, for you to feel like you're in the Philippines. Pag nimi-miss niyo yung lutong bahay or tinatamad kayo sa kitchen, punta lang kayo
Ayan.
dito.
Yes.
Maraming salamat po sa friends niyo po online.
Alright, thank you. Bye.
Sa kusina, ako'y sumasayaw at kumakanta habang ang mga kamay ko'y abala sa pagluluto.
Zumba na, no? So, saan ang hotel?
Bakit ano?
Okay. Pangalan niyo po?
Ann.
Ayan, hello po sa mga friends ni Ate Ann. Bisita na po kayo dito
Bisita
every day.
kami. Yes. Thank you
Yes.
din
Okay.
sa ating mga unlimited interviews.
Yes.
Alright, thank you. Bye.